sponge cake recipe from Bunny Lou Cakes on TikTok. Duncan Hines white cake mix, classic white. Yes, you heard that right. 1 cup of milk, 1/3 cup of oil. I use grapeseed oil. You can use canola or vegetable. 1 tablespoon of a good vanilla. 4 eggs. Okay, 4 eggs. And that's how we're going to start. Oh, and the most important part. 1/2 package of Jello vanilla instant pudding in powder form. So first you're going to beat your eggs in slow mode. This is a little bit rushed here, but that's how you do it. One of the eggs was a little stubborn, so I had to put it up to like a number 2 or 3 for a few seconds to break down that egg. Then we're going to start adding our liquids, which is the vanilla, the oil, and the milk, and combine that together. And here I come, taking off this little bit of egg that stays on the edge of the whisk because I just totally hate it. Watch. Wait for it. Yeah, I come with a napkin for that. There we go. See that thing hanging there from the freaking egg? Oh my God. Hate it, hate it, hate it. Anyway, sorry if I grossed anybody out, but I don't like it, so I'll take it off. Now we're going to add the box of the white cake mix, and I sift it. She doesn't do this, but I do. I prefer to sift it. And then I put it in parts. Okay. Sorry guys, I'm trying to keep up here with this voiceover, okay? Alrighty, and there it is. It's all sifted in there. But you're going to see these little bits that are left in the sieve. I don't push them through. I just throw it out. I don't even know what that is. It might be sugar. Who knows? I just don't put it through. I feel it's going to make lumps in my mix. So I just get rid of them. Yep. And then we're going to beat on slow speed. Maybe 1 or 2. That's it. Just till it's combined and creamy and smooth. Okay? No lumps in the mix. Just keep combining slowly. Then you're gonna get it to a point that you can, scrape your bowl, of course. See, here I am getting ahead of myself. Scrape the bowl, of course. Make sure everything from the bottom is incorporated. Okay. Then when it's nice and smooth, I gotta catch up here. Okay, I gotta wait till this catches up to me. You're gonna add now the 1/2 pack of the vanilla pudding. This is what makes it spongy. I don't know why. It's just something in it that happens. I don't care why. I just know it works. So you should do it too. Okay, nice and smooth. Nice and smooth. You see how slow I'm going? Do not beat it fast. Slow and slow. Then you're going to get it to a point where you can basically write a letter on the batter and it doesn't sink into the batter, as you'll see here. I tried to make this in real time so you can all see that it's not all a 5-minute thing. It really isn't. Some of the parts were sped up. See how you can basically put the batter on top and it doesn't sink in? I'll do it better now so you can see. See? Write the letter A or whatever letter you want or whatever design, and it just doesn't sink down. It stays on the top there. That's when you know your batter is ready for the oven. Parchment paper on the bottom of your pan if you'd like, or butter, only on the bottom. And then you're gonna come out with this fabulous sponge cake. I had a video of it cut up, but I lost it. But trust me, this is freaking fabulous. I hope you make it. Let me know if you have any questions. I know this video was a little crazy. Probably talked too fast. But please leave your questions in the comments. I'll be happy to help you. And I'll tag Bunny Lou Cakes in the post as well. You can check her out too.